Hey everybody, Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this gorgeous new Cruisers Yachts 38 VTR. It's one of their adventure style boats. Come on aboard, we'll give you a nice walkthrough. The first thing you notice when you walk aboard the new 38 VTR is the expansive cockpit, especially compared to a lot of other adventure boats on the market right now. Just have a great beam, you have a lot of headroom. A great bench seat in the back here. We have a water sports tow bar. This one's powered by a pair of 300 V8 Mercuries. We'll push it into the low 40s. It's pretty good for a 38-foot boat. It is a stepped hull, which helps with its efficiency. Great access to the water with a huge swim ladder. We have a freshwater washdown back here for the engines. We do have a fold-out patio that goes out electrically. We have a nice electric barbecue here with wet sink. Just look at the easy access to the water from both sides of the boat. Expansive cockpit. In addition to a huge cockpit, you also have a lot of great amenities and seating on the boat. You have a refrigerator and ice maker back here and a little summer kitchen area. Walking up a little bit further, we have 2 rows of forward-facing seating. Easily for 3 adults here with a huge table for all your entertaining, all your luncheons, all your dinners, a little bit of everything. Walking up to the helm of the boat. Again, triple helm seats, all with thigh-rise bolsters. Beautiful Simrad wide displays. This is a joystick piloting boat as well. You have nice protection from the curved glass enclosure. Just look at all the hardtop space on here. Speakers are put in the right position. You even have grab rails if you want to run the boat standing up. The new 38 VTR has an expansive cabin as well. Huge V-berth here. Sleeping 2 adults without a problem. You have a fully enclosed head with shower, easy access to your electrical panel, and it does have air conditioning as well. Everything runs off an inverter system on this boat, so no reason to have a generator. Nice and quiet and just easy to maintain. Easy walkways up to the bow area. Look at how high the gunnels hit you. Very safe for the kids. And you have a huge expansive bow area here. Easy access to your windlass automatic anchor. You have a great sitting area here, a dining area here. There's also a spot for a nice Yeti cooler under the starboard side here. Speakers in the right place. Just a great bow area to add to the entertaining value of the boat. We're calling the new 38 VTR part of the adventure series from Cruisers Yachts, which means you have really cool options. This is a great toolie rack where you can put some kayaks up here. You could put some wakeboards. Just anything you want. I've actually seen some people put bikes up here as well. So lots of versatility to this Adventure Series 38 VTR. Again, Tyler Hill here at MarineMax Pompano Beach. Thank you so much for walking through this new 2026 Cruisers Yachts 38 VTR with me. This boat is available right now. Give us a call today at the store, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching and happy boating.